Hey guys, Rob with Next Gen Rider here again. So one of the projects I have on my bike is to kind of clean up the wiring. Right now I have everything, it's just a mess. I have some relays in there, I got a lot of wiring going to accessory wires, battery, and I want to try to clean it up. So what I picked up is one of these power distribution modules from Amazon on the cheap. These things are like between, I don't know, 16, 18, maybe 20 bucks on Amazon. Thought I'd give it a try. So let's turn the camera around and check it out. Okay, so here we go. Quick wiring fuse box. This is a 4-channel device. I believe this is a 20 amp total load, and obviously 12 volts for a motorcycle. This is what it shows you get. The device, the power leads, some cable ties. Let's just open it up and see what's in there. Alright. So it comes in a bubble wrap package. So a instruction sheet. Let's get to the English side. So it gives you a breakdown of what's included in the kit. Just a little bit of technical information, max 20 amp load, LED indications, and then wiring hookup. And it kind of tells you about product advantages. But what we know what this is going to do. This is going to switch accessory on power and distribute it where we need it for our components on the bike. So we'll kind of get it out and have a look at it here. So it does have, I think these are 16 gauge main power wires with a couple of spade terminals on there, and then the accessory control lead wires here. And this is basically shrink wrap here for jacketing. And here on the device you have 4 ports, positive and negative, labeled number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you have LED indications for each output. Let's see if we can get this cover off. Okay, cover off comes off pretty easily. So here you have power in. It's epoxy to a PCB. And then this is, it looks like it's electromechanical relay. It's not going to be SSR switching, so a small electromechanical relay that's going to be operated by this wire that's going to switch contacts that's coming on the big 16 gauge wires. And then you have 4 fused outputs. These are micro blades. See, kind of hard to see the kind of give you a shot of that. Pretty kind of hard to see, pretty small. Oop, focus for me. So we'll put that back in. Okay, let's take a quick look at what comes along with the main distribution block. Let's take all this out. Okay, so we get a couple of tie wraps to mount it. You get 3 vampire tap connectors, a couple of extra fuses, double-sided sticky. If you wanted to just stick this somewhere on your motorcycle, you can do that. And then you have a couple of bullet leads if you can avail of those as opposed to the spades. Okay, let's give it a quick test. So what I have over here is we're going to hook up. So we're going to put main power to the unit. I'm going to turn that on. Nothing's going to happen. And now you see when we turn on accessory power, we get our 4 LED indicators. You'll hear the electromechanical relay engage. And then you can wire a controlled output to the 4 outputs on the module. There you go. Doesn't get much simpler than that. So this one's working. I can't wait to get on the bike and see how it installs. Thanks for watching.